Ready?
Yeah.
Hi! Welcome to Promised Land Homestead. I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Tatum. And I'm Persephone.
Please enjoy our video of today's adventure.
Subscribe to our channel.
Like and share our video.
And leave a comment. Thanks.
Bye!
Bye!
The sun came out. Yesterday we got the ends of the frame here held together and a couple cattle panels up. So we are gonna try and get some more cattle panels up. Okay. You're using the black screws, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Or what?
I got it upside down. You don't.
No. Okay. Alright.
A little more? That's fine. We can move it. Do you need us to slow down?
I need this one scooched that way, like the tiniest bit.
They don't really scoot.
Well, it's not moving at all. Okay. Okay. I got it. And my screw. Okay, there we go. And screw. Okay, instead of the U-nails, since we want to be able to take this part and move it, I'm using these, what are these called? Wiring clamps. They're pretty cool. And that allows the cattle panel to move around, you know, this way, but holding it in place too. There we go. And I'm putting 3 of these on each panel. It seems to be holding pretty well. Screw.
Get your other leg over. Oh, sketchy. Put it on. On the wood. Ooh. Move over. What? Move that way. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Hold on, you're scratching the wood. Fine. I got it.
This is hard to do.
Over. And then take this one and flip it. That could have gone smoother.
Trying to hold this in place and screw it at the same time is not quite easy.
Do you need help?
I don't know. How did you do this with just yourself?
With my hands.
I got one in. I just have to hold the... Okay. I got it.
All right.
I got it.
Oh, you're also using the fine screws instead of the coarse.
Oh, what's the difference? Oh,
The threads.
that was too long.
Well, it's not, but that's the difference.
What's the difference?
Look at the threads.
I know, but what's the difference in what me being able to hold this still and screw it at the same time?
This one will go in faster than this one.
Okay. Okay, all the cattle panels are up. It's 60 feet. We did have to cut the last one to fit because it was too big. And now I am going to zip tie up here so that the cattle panels don't wibble wobble against each other.